The year was 1990. A young man, barely in his 20s, stood at a crossroads. Just a year before, he had been a Grammy winning rapper, living a lavish life. Now he was nearly broke, drowning in debt and unsure of what the future held. The phone rang. It was an offer, one that could change his life forever. A chance to star in a TV show, but there was a catch. He wasn't an actor. Failure was a real possibility. The world was watching, critics were ready to tear him down, and his own fears whispered, "What if you are not good enough?" We are talking about Will Smith. Growing up in a modest neighborhood, he learned early that success wouldn't come easy, but he had something powerful, an unshakable belief in himself. His first breakthrough came in music. As the Fresh Prince, he teamed up with DJ Jazzy Jeff to create light-hearted rap music. They won a Grammy Award, but financial mismanagement left Will broke. He owed the IRS millions, and just as quickly as fame had arrived, it seemed to be slipping away. Then came his second chance, the sitcom The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Though he faced skepticism, he poured his energy into the role, determined to prove himself. The show became a cultural phenomenon, launching him into Hollywood. But Will refused to be just an actor. He wanted more. He took risks, stepping into blockbusters like Independence Day and Men in Black, movies that turned him into a global superstar. He tackled dramatic roles in Ali and The Pursuit of Happiness, proving that he was more than just a funny guy. Yet, even as he conquered Hollywood, life threw him curveballs: a public divorce, family struggles, and the pressure of fame. And in 2022, his controversial Oscars moments shook his career and reputation. But true champions don't crumble, they rebuild. Will Smith's life is a testament to resilience, reinvention, and relentless pursuit of greatness. He has faced failure, criticism, and personal challenges, but every time he falls, he gets back up, stronger than before. Ask yourself, when life knocks you down, will you stay down? Or will you rise like Will Smith and claim your greatness? Subscribe for more inspirations.